So, this is where Tosh plans on building his Spectre army.
I've identified 3 facilities that are vital to his operation. Our first target will be the Jorium stockpile. Next will be the Terrazine tanks. And finally, the psionic waveform indoctrinator Tosh uses to complete the Spectre's activation process.
Alright. So we destroy all 3 of those targets, and Tosh is out of business.
Tosh knows every trick in the book when it comes to infiltration. I can penetrate most of his defenses, but I'll need your backup to get through them all.
And what about Tosh?
Just leave him to me. I've cleared a landing zone for your forces. Let's get this party started. Strictly business.
Who wants some? Outstanding. Armed and ready.
Nova here.
Okay, here we go. Stay sharp, boys. Tosh might have some nasty surprises waiting for us.
See that Marauder up ahead? 50 credits says I can snipe him from here. Got it. Loud and clear. On the move. I'll make it happen. Executing. I'm pinned down over here. Help a girl out and take down those guys on top of the cliff. Strictly business.
Been waiting on you.
Confirm that last. Acknowledged. En route. Got it. See? Nice and easy. Let's move.
Sure thing. Outstanding. Oh yeah.
Nova here. Strictly.
Been waiting on you.
Say again.
You gonna give me a...
Confirm that last. Acknowledged. En route. I'm reading you. Got it. Loud and clear. On the move.
By the...
Status report. Nova here. I'll make it happen.
I want some.
Say again.
This better be good.
Confirm that last.
Want some.
I'm reading. Careful. There's a siege tank up ahead. If I can get close enough, I can telepathically dominate the crew.
Show. Oh yeah. Got it.
Nova here.
You gonna give me orders? Go, go, go!
Spectres. Let me handle them.
Can't.
Say again. Strictly business. Acknowledged.
Been waiting.
Confirm that last. En route. Got it.
Never took you for a traitor. You've fallen a long, long way, brother.
Nice work, boys. Our next target is the Terrazine tanks. I'll clear a landing zone for you. Get ready. Nova here.
I'm telling you.
Business. Acknowledged. En route.
Engineering at your disposal.
Say again. Got it. Loud and clear. On the move. I'll make it happen. LZ secured. You can begin your landing, Jim. And see if they can't get this gate open. Time's a-wasting.
State your request. Commencing. Job confirmed. This vessel will comply.
Gate's open. Let's make some noise.
Speak up! What's our target? What?
Awaiting.
Nova here. Strip.
What's it worth?
Need something loaded up?
From that last.
Give us your best shot! Got no patience for sitting around!
Say again.
Lay it on!
I'm reading you.
I'm listening.
Status report. Acknowledged. En route. Got it. Loud.
Go ahead! What's our target?
Got something for me to kill.
Give us your best shot!
You're the Reaper Man.
Nova here.
Ready for service. Underway.
Say again. On the move. I'll make it happen. Executing.
Nuclear launch detected.
Consider it.
Engineer.
I have a present for you, Mr. Rena. Best start running.
From that last. Strictly business. Acknowledged.
Awaiting. Autogrid engaged.
Nova here. Strictly.
battle.
Got something for me to kill.
What's our target? Rolling out!
I'm reading you.
Command.
Status report. Keep me covered while I hack into this nuke silo. Should just take me there.
Nuclear missile ready.
Say again. On the move. I'll make it happen. Executing. Consider it done. Acknowledged.
State your
Need something blown up? Let's roll!
engineering at your disposal.
What?
Got no patience!
Nova here. En route. Got it. Strictly business. Acknowledged. On the move. I'll make it happen. Executing. Consider it done.
Awaiting orders.
Now why'd you have to go and do that? You're testing me, brother. Testing me hard.
Good job, Jim. One more to go.
That Psi Indoctrinator's heavily guarded. Nuking is gonna be our best bet.
Strictly. Air cab has arrived. Give us a target. Acknowledged. Strictly business.
What's that?
I got my ears on.
Let's get into the fight.
Give us your best shot!
Confirm that last. En route.
Lay it on!
Holla back. Stealth mode engaged.
Very well.
I'm reading you.
Fight or flight. Right.
Yeah? Status report. Receiving. Turbines to full. Done and done. Weapons hot. Stealth mode engaged. All of all. Loud and clear. Nova here. Got it.
Made for battle.
Say again. Nova here. Strictly business. Acknowledged. En route. Loud and clear. I got
Transformation system.
Holla back. Confirm that last. On the move. Keep me covered while I hack into this nuke silo. Should just take me there. I'm reading you.
Missile ready.
I'll make it happen. Executing.
Nuclear launch detected.
Holla back.
I'm getting tired of this. Why don't you just die?
Strictly Yeah?
Let's get into the fight.
Confirm that last. Receiving. Right.
You ready?
I'm reading you.
Let's get into the fight.
Status report. Acknowledged. En route.
Transformation systems primed.
Nova here. Got it.
Made for battle. Agreed.
Status report. Loud and clear. On the move. I'll make it happen. Executing. Get it done. Strictly business. Got it. You're right, Raynor. A well-placed nuke would wreak some serious havoc on those defenses. Got it.
This ain't the end. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Transmission coming in. Tosh.
Didn't take long for him to gloat. Patch him through.
You gonna pay for that, man.
Is that supposed to be me?
You gonna regret crossing me.
You're a scumbag, Tosh.
I've spent my whole life fighting men like you.
You and me, we're just the same. We'd both do anything to get the job done.
No, you don't get it at all. And now, you never will.
What you gonna do, man? I'm 6 light years away.
Not me.
Cold and efficient.
Reminds me of someone I used to know. Glad you're not after me.
Not today, anyway. I'll see you around, Jim.
Don't you ever meet any normal girls?